So it is just here to understand, like if you're ending from E and IR, the ending of OIR, all these ending past is U, that is one U. Say Claire, mademoiselle. If you will say,
Yes.
if you will say I came, so I came is je suis one U. But if you're a girl, so you can insert E at the end. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why?
Yes, sir.
Now you will say you went, you will say tu être is what? A, tu es venu. Claire.
Yes, sir.
You will say he, she went. Il, elle, est venu. Now why E? Because if you're conjugating with L, that is E. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why? Say Claire, tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we have we went, which is nous sommes venus. Now, par exemple, you are nous sommes venus. It means c'est la pluriel. Nous sommes venus. We went. Claire. Sorry, we came. Claire. So nous sommes venus because c'est la pluriel. I can insert s at the pluriel. Say Claire, mademoiselle.
Okay, sir.
Claire. If I will say you came, I will say vous in terms of formal. Vous êtes venu. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Y-
Now, if I will say ils, elles sont, okay, because we have our être conjugation. Ils,
Yes,
elles
sir.
sont venus. Say Claire, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
Now, because il we have plural, I can say s at the end, right?
Yes, sir.
Elles sont venus. C'est la pluriel, but female, I can insert es at the end. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So, répétez après moi, because obviously come, came, one you. So these are your leg movement verb. Like I came, je suis venu. You came, tu es venu. Il, elle est venu. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, I will give you some verb which relate to your venir. Okay. Now, for example, we have verb devenir. Répétez après moi. Devenir. So devenir
Definitely.
is a
Tavenir.
verb to become. Devenir is my verb to become. Say Claire. So
Yes, sir.
you will conjugate devenir verb with I, become, you become. So over here we have venir conjugation. Say Claire. What
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so I can use venir, but I have to insert the. So je deviens. Répétez après moi. Je
The
deviens.
Tavenir.
It means, okay, I become. Claire. Tu, tu deviens. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why?
Tu deviens.
Okay. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Il, elle devient. C'est clair. Je deviens, tu deviens, il, elle devient. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. Mademoiselle, tell me
Yes.
yes or no.
yes, sir.
Répétez après moi, mademoiselle. Je deviens. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je
The
deviens.
Je
Tu
deviens.
deviens. C'est
to
clair.
Tu
the
deviens.
Okay? Il, elle devient. C'est clair.
il
Elle devient. C'est clair. Nous, nous devenons. C'est
Devenons.
clair.
Devenons.
Devenons, vous devenez,
Vous
il,
devenez.
elle deviennent,
Il, elle
il, elle devient.
the
Say Claire, mademoiselle. Tell me. Tell me,
Yes.
Yes,
mademoiselle.
sir.
Say
Yes,
Claire.
sir. Yes, sir.
Say Claire. Okay. Now
Yes.
this is my, Davneer. Je Davneer. इसको repeat करो please. Repeat करो.
J,
तबनीर, ज दबियां,
Q, दबियां,
क्यू दबियां, इल
A,
एल दबियां, नू
नो,
दबिनो,
वो,
बू
दबी,
दबने, इल एल
दब,
Il El Davian. Say Claire. So
इल
this is
एल
my
दबियन,
basically this is my Davneer verb, which is my
दबनीर
Davneer.
पर,
Now mademoiselle become. Now what would be the passe of Davneer? Vanir is Vanu. Davneer is Davnu. Say Claire.
दबनू,
Why?
yes, sir.
यस सर,
Right? So when Vanir is my verb to come, right, using my leg. But whenever we have Davneer, it is something like Vanir, Davneer to become. So this is also my actor family verb. If I will say Davneer's verb to become, became. So je suis devenu. Tell me yes and no. Say Claire.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
these, with the help of these things, you can conjugate your past verbs. Say Claire. Why?
यस
Sir.
सर,
So what are your actor family verb? The moment you use your legs, like venir, why? Aller is to go, partir, sortir. Say Claire, mademoiselle. So all these verbs which belongs to my être family verb. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
यस सर,
Okay. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
यस सर,
May I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Mademoiselle, because today we have a brush up all the things, like how we can brush up all the things, and definitely Mademoiselle will do revisions of lot of verbs will do revision. But today it is just I'm giving you the brush ups, right? Now we have lem parfait in French, lem parfait. Lem parfait is basically Mademoiselle past continuous tense in French. C'est clair. The
यस
past
सर,
continues. Say Claire. Like the woman will say, I used to do like that. I used to. This is my lem parfait. Say Claire.
यस सर,
Now, just learn the formula of, because every conjugation like lem parfait, future, what, we have a formula. Claire. So, what is the formula of lem parfait? AIS. Repeat after me.
ए
AIS.
आई एस, ए आई एस,
AIT.
ए आई टी, ए
IONS.
I, O, N,
IEZ and AIENT.
A, I.
Mademoiselle, yes, this is the formula of my lem parfait, means past continuous tense. Say Claire, tell me.
Yes, sir.
यस सर,
To make the lem parfait, mademoiselle, in order to make lem parfait, you have to use the verb of no conjugation. Now, for example, we have verb uh, parlo, right? Parlo is my new conjugation. Tell me, mademoiselle.
यस,
Yes,
Parlo
sir.
is my new conjugation. I have to eliminate ONS, right? Okay. So what you left with? AIS. So je parlais is I was speaking. Tell me yes and no.
यस
Claire,
सर,
tu
Sir.
parlais. Tu,
Parle.
because we have AIS ending. Say Claire. So tu parlais is to what? Is to,
You, you,
yes, you were speaking. Je parlais. I was speaking. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
यस सर,
So il parlait. AIT conjugation.
पार्लर,
Say Claire.
ही,
N-
यस सर,
He she was speaking. Nous, tell me.
no,
Nous
न्यू,
parlions.
पार्लियम,
ठीक है. Vous,
यस सर,
vous parlier,
Parlier.
c'est clair, and
Yes,
il,
sir.
elle parlait,
Parlier.
c'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Why, mademoiselle? So,
Yes.
okay, this is my basically lamp parfait, and you will do practice, and I will definitely give you a lot of things where you can do practice. It is just I'm giving the overview of this. You came to know what is lamp parfait in French. Tell me,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Claire. Okay.
Yes.
Now, just try to understand the same with parler verb. Okay. Now, if you will do, I would speak. If you will say, I would speak. Say Claire.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This is my would. This we call as conditional, conditional, conditional. So how to convert my verb with I would speak, you would speak, I would play? It is just you have to understand one thing. You know lamp parfait ending AIS, AIS, tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is just, to make would, you have to insert R from the starting. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why?
Yes.
So if I will say I would speak, so you will say je. Okay,
Yeah.
now je, okay, parlerai. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why? Tell me yes and
Yes,
no.
Yes.
sir.
Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Say Claire. Why?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is basically my, the conditional. Say Claire. Je parlerai. Claire. Tu. What is tu? Tu. Again, AIS, RAI is ending, right? Say Claire.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Tu
Pa.
parlerai.
समझ आ रहा है आपको mademoiselle? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
It is just with the lamp parfait you have to insert R, and you have to conjugate je parlerai, tu parlerai, Claire. Il,
Yes, sir.
elle parlerai.
Parlerai.
C'est Claire. Nous
Yes, sir.
parlerions. C'est Claire. Why?
Yes.
Sir.
Vous,
Yeah.
vous parleriez. C'est Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Il, elle parle.
Parlerai.
E ending. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So tell me what would be my conditional? Komal, can you please conditional? Can you please conditional tense? Can you please? Can you please describe?
For wood, if we want to use like wood, so we can add R A I S for I, and for you it's R A I S, and for he and she R A I T, and for we it's R I O N S, and for you it's R I E Z, and for ruler like they it's R A I E N T.
See Claire, mademoiselle. Why?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अगर सर हम लोग ए आई एस आर को हटा देते हैं तो वो वाज और वर्ड यूज होगा ना?
कैसे कह रहे हैं? हाँ, वो फिर अगर हम आर हटा देते हैं तो ये कह रहे हो?
या वो फिर वाज और वर्ड यूज होगा ना?
वो
वो
पास्ट
वाज
कंटिन्यूस यूज होगा आपका, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस, राइट? अगर आप आर हटा दे तो यही बोल रहे ना, अगर आप यू विल एलिमिनेट आर फ्रॉम द एंड, सो दैट इज
फॉर
पास्ट.
एग्जांपल want to use or word, so we can use like AIS or AIS AIT.
नहीं, आई डिडंट गेट दिस, व्हाट यू सेड?
जो लास्ट वाला फॉर्मूला था ना AIS वाला, वो पर की जगह पे यूज करते हैं ना. जैसे हम लोग ये वुड का कंडीशनर लगा रहे हैं तो जब हम आर हटा देते हैं वहां से तो वो वाज और वर्ड का होगा ना?
यस, We can say like that, but you know, this is my past continuous tense, right? Say Claire, l'imparfait is my past continuous tense. Yes, we can say was were also, and we can say whenever you are saying this thing, I used to do like that, I used to do like that, past me. So you have to use l'imparfait. I used to. Say your l'imparfait. Say Claire. Why?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Now. Okay, now. L'imparfait. What is pluque parfait? Because I'm just giving the overview of this. Pluque parfait, mademoiselle. Mademoiselle, you know, past.
Past perfect.
It can, yeah, this is present perfect. Present perfect, right? Pluque parfait. Clear?
Okay.
Whenever we are
Yes.
talking for a past, okay, you have to use, you know, our family or either other family, but we have to see, like for example, we have past verb like parler, okay, we have verb jouer. So jouer, first we have to convert jouer with my egu because this is my, you know, past jouer. Say Claire. Why?
Yes.
Now, in case of past, I will use because jouer belongs to my our family verb. Yes, jouer belongs to my our family verb. So
Our
what is,
family
tell me,
one.
what would be the past of I played? Tell me.
Um,
J'ai, j'ai avion,
J'ai,
avion.
j'ai joué, simple.
j'ai joué.
Sorry.
I'm not saying abhi plu ka parfait. I'm simple saying simple
J'ai joué.
mademoiselle. I played. That is j'ai joué. C'est clair. Why?
Yes.
But we have a pattern which is I have played. One is I played past indefinite. One is I have played. Say clair. That
Yes,
has
sir.
a sentence we call as plu ka parfait madam. That has a sentence we called as plu ka parfait. Say
Luca
clair
parte.
mademoiselle. Clair. Now what's
Yes.
my plu ka parfait? What is this? Again, this is my past. In that case, in plu ka parfait, I have to use again avoir plus at either être, say clair.
Yes.
Avoir either être l'imparfait. Say clair, mademoiselle. The moment we're doing l'imparfait, we have to use avoir être passé. But if we are doing plu ka parfait, I have to use avoir être l'imparfait. Tell me yes or no. Say clair.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what would be the l'imparfait of avoir? Evidemment, we have formula of what? AIS. Tell me. AIS. Claire.
Yes,
AIP.
sir.
IONS. IEZ. And AIENT. Say Claire. Why?
Yes, sir.
So, mademoiselle, if I will say j'avais, tell me yes or no. J'avais, c'est la plus que, c'est la, j'avais, tu, tu avais, tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Tu avais, say Claire. Il, elle,
Yes. Avait.
avait, say Claire. Say Claire, mademoiselle, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Nous avions.
Nous
Because
avions.
this is my l'imparfait of avoir. So in order to make plu ka parfait, I have to use l'imparfait of avoir and être plus pp. C'est clair. Vous
Yes, sir.
aviez il, elle, AVAIENT. Now, in order to make plu ka parfait, I have to use avoir l'imparfait plus pp. You will say I have played. So j'avais joué. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
So you came to know the pattern of present, the pattern of past, the pattern of lem parfait, and the pattern of pluka parfait, and the pattern of conditional. Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you came to know five tenses of the verb. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why? Now.
Yes.
Now, one thing you have to understand, what would be the our would? What would be the our would? So what is the formula of conditional? RAIS, tell me.
RAI,
It is
RAIS
we have to
and
insert the RRR, Claire, RAIT, RIONS, say Claire,
yes, sir.
Yes.
RIEZ, and RENT,
RAINT.
say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Say Claire, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
Now what would be my our future? And conditional. One thing you have to understand, in order to make our conditional, right? It is just you have to start this our with AU. So Jore is something like I would. Say Claire. Tu ora. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Tell me yes or no. Tu ore. Jore, tu ore.
Yes, sir.
Il el ore. Say Claire, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second. Let me save the previous recording. Yeah, one second. I'm just saving the previous recording. One second. Now, mademoiselle. J'aurais, tu aurais, il, elle aurait. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
L, because we have to start with my conditional AU and the ending is same. Nous aurions. Can you do that? Nous aurions. Vous auriez.
Nous auriez, nous
Say Claire.
auriez.
Il, elle.
Yes.
Il, elle what? Il, elle aurait. Say
Or,
mademoiselle.
In an orange.
Say
or,
why? Tell me,
yes, sir.
is it clear to you? You have to
Yes.
listen. आपका ये सेशन पूरा रिकॉर्डिंग के अंडर है. Just see this recording. Now, what is my active verb? Every demo we have our conditional. Okay. Why? And we have
Yes.
active also. Say Claire. Why?
Yes.
So
Yes.
we have the formula is what? Ray. RAIS. Ray. RAIT. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
S, Claire. RIEZ and RIENT. Say Claire. Now over
Yes, sir.
we use sir. In case of conditional tense of être, we have to conjugate with sir. So je serai. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Tu
Yes, sir.
serai. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Il, elle serait. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why?
Yes, sir.
Say Claire. Nous
Yes.
serions. Claire. Vous seriez. Claire. And il, elle serait. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So, mademoiselle, for example, if you will say, I would have played. I would have played. Now, obviously, you have to understand this is my past. Played. So, played past is what? Jouer. Tell me. Jouer is
Yes, sir. Jouer.
this is Joueq. Claire. Now, I would.
Yes, sir.
Mademoiselle, over here you have to understand, jouer belongs to what? Our family verb play, right?
Yes, sir.
not in the category of 14 verb हमने करी है ना, what I would say, arrive, partir, sortir, clear,
Yes, sir.
bani
Yes.
ale. But play is my verb too. Our. So jouer, played. So I would. Our का would क्या है? J'aurais. Say Claire. So what this reason is that's a form sentence. J'aurais joué. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Why?
Yes.
Clear हुआ mademoiselle आपको?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I say I would have accepted, what you will say?
J'aurais accepté.
Yes. So this is a situation of hypothetical. Claire? Now,
Yes.
you came to know present, you came to know past, you came to know past continuous, you came to know what? Plural perfect, conditional, Claire.
Yes.
Claire? Now,
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you some verbs, mademoiselle. Okay? I'm giving you some verbs. Please try to 1 second. Mademoiselle, these are, दिख रहे हैं आपको स्क्रीन के आगे verbs, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I asked you all these verbs, now repeat after my first. Accepte is to accept. Repeat after me. Accepte.
Accepte is to accept.
Adore is to love.
Adore.
Adore is to love.
Aimer is to like.
Aimer is to like.
Annule is to cancel.
Annule is to cancel.
Apporter is to bring.
Apporter is to bring.
Attrape is to catch. Attrape.
Attrape is to catch.
Bavarte. Bavarte. Bavarte.
Bavarde is to chat.
Casse. Repeat. Casse.
Casse.
Casse is to break.
Casse is to break.
Chante.
Chante
is
is to sing.
Cherche
Cherche is to look for.
Commander.
Commander
is to order.
to order.
Commencer.
Commencer
is to begin.
begin.
Coupe. Coupe is to
Coupe
cut.
is to cut.
Danse.
Danse
is to dance.
dance.
Demande. is to ask.
Is to ask.
Désigner.
Désigner
is to draw.
Is to draw.
C'est clair.
That,
Détester.
yes.
Détester is to
Détester.
hate. C'est clair, mademoiselle. Donner.
Yes.
Donner is to give.
Donner is to give.
Écouter. Écouter is to listen. Claire?
Yes, sir.
Emprunter. Claire. Enlever. Repetir, por favor.
Enlever.
Yes. Enlever is to remove. Claire? Étudier. Study. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Exprimer is to express. And former is to close.
Former is to close.
Now, mademoiselle, how many verbs we have done so far? Present, tell me yes.
Yes,
past,
sir.
tell me yes.
Yes,
Lamparfe, past continuous, Claire. Present.
Yes, sir. Past perfect. Sorry, past continuous.
Present perfect. Present perfect, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Present perfect tense. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
J'avais something.
Yes.
Claire. Then
yes,
we
sir.
have conditional. Claire, have you done conditional? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Have you done conditional past? I would have done. उसको बोलते हैं conditional past से. क्या बोलते हैं? Conditional
past
से. Like I would have done, you would have done. Now, if you say I would have broke, I would have broken. I break block. I would have, you know, I would have asked, if you will say, I would have asked. So how you make this? So ask is my our family verb. Say j'aurais. Say Claire, mademoiselle.
J'aurais.
J'aurais posé. Posé is my verb to ask. Demande is my verb to ask. Anything you can say. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So mademoiselle, how many present, past, present continuous, present perfect, conditional, conditional past? Say 6. Can you
Yes.
convert these verbs with my 6 tenses? All these verbs with 6 tenses. Can you do that? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Now, before doing that, you have to watch the recording. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to do this. Now I'm giving you a task which you have to do this. Yes, you have to send it back to me so that I can check your task. Claire,
Okay, sir.
I'm giving you task
Yes.
now. I'm giving you task now. Entire verbs in the screen, whatever you have, these verbs in the screen, you have to conjugate entire verb with present, past, present continuous. We could have lamp parfait, plu ka parfait, conditional and conditional parfait. Can you do that? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
कर सकते हैं हम? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Claire. So now करो फिर. Meanwhile, I'm going to share all these recordings. Claire, and करो
Yes,
फिर आप.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Claire, your time starts
Yes,
now.
sir.
Claire, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
Claire, formal and what I would say, similar. Why?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear. तो करो फिर conjugate. मैं आपसे इतनी recording share करता हूँ. Back to back मुझे task भेजो फटाफट. Say Claire. Why?
Yes, sir.
करो फिर भेजो.